Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix issues where your Garmin Forerunner watch is frozen and not responding to any buttons or anything like that. So if this happens to you, and it doesn't matter what button you press, or if you charge the watch, nothing happens, nothing responds in the watch, and you cannot unfreeze it, there's a simple step that you can do to turn it off and then turn it back on. So all we need to do is hold down the light button for 15 seconds. So keep holding it down. Once this is completed, you'll see the watch face actually turn off. So there will be nothing displayed, as you can see right there. So that means we've turned it off. Now all we need to do is just hold down the light button for about a second or two until you see the Garmin emblem right there, and that means that the watch is turning back on. So it is no longer frozen and it should be ready to use. So that was a quick Garmin Forerunner tutorial showing you how to restart the watch if it freezes or is no longer responding. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.